Good morning. I am Tamil Sapnari Shivaji from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Today I am going to discuss about illness coronavirus. It is a officially says that COVID-19. COVID-19 nowadays COVID-19 is a very serious. COVID-19 has both sides, good sides also and bad sides also. Like coin has a two sides. Like this coronavirus has COVID-19 is also two sides, good sides also and bad sides also. So first we are looking about the bad sides. Most this impact most impact on the human being. Ah, due to coronavirus, most of the people die in a whole world. Everyone says stay home, stay safe, stay home, stay safe. But no one can understand, no one can get serious. And when suffering from coronavirus, they realize how it is dangerous, how it is worst. But no any remedies upon that coronavirus, no any vaccines upon that coronavirus, no tablet, no anyone. So it's very critical condition. So it is very critical condition. When people die day by day, increase the count of people died. And then after that, all people realize that coronavirus is very dangerous. And after that, take a decision for a lockdown. I think lockdown decision is a very good decision, and it is a very important for to live a human being, because when if there is no lockdown, say all people say take it easily, wandering here and there, go buying for a vegetables and all things. You go here and there, go in shops, go in mall, hotels, and like that. And so if one people has affected by a coronavirus, he get notes, coins, carry bag, and all. And many people affected by that coronavirus, and like this chain reaction is takes place, and the count of affecting the coronavirus is increased day by day. So that's why lockdown. So that's why lockdown is a good thing for to avoid the coronavirus. But when coronavirus is get enter in our home, in home, at that time people knows how it is dangerous, how it can handle. Then people get worried, people get afraid. At that time, people live at a home, don't go outside. But if no lockdown, again people wandering here and there. That's why lockdown is very important. So, uh, but by coronavirus, many people are died in a whole world get worried how it handled, because day by day coronavirus get updated, take some mutation. That's why how find it so that's why how find it vaccine, how find it tablet, and all are in attention, all are get worried. Scientists day night they are research how it can handle, how find vaccine, how find remedies, all that. But after some time, scientists get success and find a vaccine on that virus, like this Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik, like this all vaccines are available in a market. So that's why, due to coronavirus, you know, at the last moment also, there is a line for a last moment. No space or no beds available in hospital. Everywhere corona patient, and no doctors available, no beds available. Doctors are available, but no beds available, no ventilators available. It's very critical condition. All are in attention how it handle. But after vaccine comes in a market. After that vaccine comes in a market, and due to lockdown process, the count of corona affecting people are day by day decrease, and it is a positive sign. It decreases the count of a coronavirus affecting people. And after, but it's not limited. After get a cure from after get people come from a hospital after a coronavirus. New disease available, that is a black fungus, mucormycosis. It is also very dangerous, like eyes, brain, nose. It is also horrible, and it is also very horrible. Like this, that's why stay home, stay safe. It is very important. No, not go outside. Use sanitizer properly. Use wearing mask. It is very important because uh, after affecting by the coronavirus, after affecting the coronavirus, depend upon our immunity power. You fight that coronavirus, and doctors are also help doctors are also help us because due to in period of a coronavirus, doctors are like a god. And in my area, Mr. Nilesh Lanke is like a god. They open a COVID center, and they open a COVID center, and individually go there and take care of a person, how take care of every person. And that's why Nilesh Lanke is like a god in my area. That's it. And these are the I think these are the negative side or a bad side. But coronavirus has also positive side because due to enter in a coronavirus in a whole world, the whole world get in a lockdown process. And due to lockdown process, many positive things are created for environment, not for human but environment, because economy and the environment is our vice versa. When economy get high, at that time environment or environment get decreases. Environment means pollution of water, air, and like this get decrease. And when economy get decreases, the environment like air, water get cleaner and cleaner, like this. This in economy and environment, these are the vice versa, like this. Due to lockdown process, many positive things are created for our environment. First is the air pollution. When in a normal life, in our road, in our road, a number of vehicles are in our road. But due to in lockdown process, everyone at a home, everyone stay home. That's why no vehicles on the road, no vehicles or a count is a less at a count is a less on a road. Uh, like this nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, and some other gases are very toxic, or are very toxic gases. And these are emitted from the um, machines, the engines, like a car, trucks, and other vehicles, also aeroplane like this. And a number of factories are also available. From there, nitrogen dioxide and many toxic gases are evolved. And many toxic gases are evolved. Many toxic gases are. And that's why, due to lockdown process, no vehicles on the road, no aeroplanes. Now count is a less. That's why air pollution is also decreases. And due to air pollution decreases, the count of oxygen in the air is increases. And that's it is very good for a human health. And due to decrease in pollution, Long distance mountain and the buildings are seen by our naked eyes, and it is very nice to see clean and get a clean air for a breathing, and it is very help for a human health and others and trees and wildlife also. It is very helpful to get a clean air. Yeah, expert says that after World War, I think it is a first time. I think it is a first time that air is a clear or pollution get decreases. It is I think it is a first time. Uh, expert said that, and due to coronavirus, not only air pollution, it is also affected on the water pollution also, because um, number of, because of wastage water from the factories, and number of toxic water are inserted in a river, and sea, and it is very harmful for harmful for the fishes and sea animals like this, and this water get dirty, smelly, and it is not good. But due to lockdown process, all factories are closed. That's why water river is very clean and like a blue, and it is a very good to see, and animal life is also very good due to the clean water, and it is very important clean water. Like in a Ganga river and Yamuna river, all rivers are in a good condition now. But after removing lockdown, all factories are open. But I think take a strict action on the some factories on factories who wastage of water is taken a river. It is a bad. That's why take a strict action on that. And I think all people decides that renewable source are used more and more, not a non-renewable source. Due to non-renewable source, more pollution occur. That's why I think all people decides that use only renewable resources. That's why our air pollution, water pollution, it's avoided. So some factories are, I think some factories are strictly banned or strictly closed. Like this, water pollution is also recover, and it is a very good. And like this after air pollution, water pollution, this lockdown is also affected on wild and animal life also. These animals are wandering freely here and there in the road also, because on a road no peoples, no vehicles, and so that's why they wandering here and there and free feel, and they also get a clear water, clear air. So that's animal life and wildlife also go very well. That's a lockdown impact is very good on the environment, and it is a very good sign. Due to lockdown process, uh, due to lockdown process, in whole world pollution get decreases in China, America, all countries. Pollution get decreases, get a free air with a lots of oxygen, and it is very good for human health. And I think in every year, minimum one month or 1 week, whole world takes place a lockdown, and I think it is very important for the uh, clean air, clean water. Due to clean air, we can see the sky are blues, and at night time we can see lots of stars because of less air pollution like this. And so that's why I think the lockdown is very good. Okay, and also due to lockdown, online education is started, and because of online education is like coronavirus. Online education also has two sides, sides also and bad sides also. Due to online education, student get comfortable, flexible, and low cost, time saving. Like these are positive things, and negative things are less social interaction, or student teacher interaction is also less, and also uh, student get cheat at exam time, and also many students get addicted towards the mobile phones and laptops, and the whole these are get affected by the whole are affected towards directly on the health, because lots of radiation are bombarding on our eyes, and these radiation are very harmful to our health, and that's why online education is also good side also and bad sides also, like this. And also cor- uh, and like this and also one positive thing due to coronavirus is that due to lockdown process, all family members are at home. That's why all spend time with the family members, and I think it is a very good, because due to office time, school time, home time, and farming and all that, no one can share their moments, share their ideas to other, and that's why due to lockdown, all family members live together with happily and spend time with each other, talk with each other, share their moments, share their experience, share their knowledge, and all that. Uh, so that's why the joint family is created due to lockdown, because when office time, someone go office for a long time, someone go school for a long time, and no one get time for each other. That's why due to lockdown, all family live together happily, and someone someone teaches some dishes, some new things created, like this. But in our country, political memories, politics are very politics are takes place, because someone says that here, someone says that here, say that here is he says that, and coronavirus is one side, politics is one side. I think it is a worst, because in a bad time, whole country are our family, like this. But due to some people, get quarrel with each other, and coronavirus leave aside and only quarrel with each other. He goes here, he goes there. I think it is the worst, because in coronavirus, or in a worst or in a bad days, we want to live together and fight the coronavirus, fight the bad days. It is important. That's why we are a family, and we are a family, and we all want to fight the coronavirus, and live all want to live, because coronavirus is not danger. Coronavirus is dangerous, but we are all family. We are a big family. That's why we all fight with coronavirus, by stay home, stay safe, by using sanitizer, by using a mask, and all that, and without quarreling, without politics. I think it is very important to go, and I think it is very important for the. And I think it is very important in days to live together without fight. That's why. And take care for each other. No go outside. No go outside for a vegetable. Go outside, but take care. No grouping together. Please stay distance while talking with each other. And when go outside, no touching here and no touching here, there. If touch them, use sanitizer. And please stay home. Do study. Do your work. Go in farm, and all that, but don't go outside more. Please stay home, stay safe, and fight with coronavirus with positive attitude. Thank you.